Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
It's first time for my talk at Help Library, and I'm thankful to all of you, and especially Help Library, to giving me this opportunity. I'm in this field since last 20 years, but this is the first time I'll be on YouTube. And people ask me many times, when you have such a vast experience, please welcome, sir. Please. When you have such a vast experience, why don't you go on YouTube? And I say, God will help me automatically to connect with the people to whom I need to reach. So thank you once again. Before hanging up your boots, this came to my mind. Definitely it's a very old terminology and it gives us so many things. This month, March 3rd, I was sitting with my mentor in Chandigarh at morning 6:30. And I was talking about life, future, happiness, and why there are so much pains in life and why we know everything and still we are helpless. And he said, Nisha, it's so simple, because we don't plan anything before hanging up our boots. And it clicked me. Oh my God, sir, can you please repeat these words, before hanging up boots? It clicked me. And I loved it. And then I thought, when you asked me, Nisha, why don't you give a talk? And so I thought, I think this is one of the best subject which I can deliver, because everything we want, but we don't design for life. We design for money, we design for our ornaments, we design for parties, we design for birthdays, we design our houses, we design everything. But the most blissful event of the life, that is death, we never design. We never think of designing death. And people say, you are silly. Why you are asking us to design death, boss? What's so good about it? Why should people think about death? I say, because the death is the moment you leave this planet. And people will remember you in what condition, in what design, in what way you leave the planet. They will remember you forever. We remember APJ, please, welcome sir. We remember APJ Abdul Kalam sir, we remember Mahatma Gandhi, we remember Vivekanand, we remember everyone the way they left the planet. So designing that moment is very important, and that moment is before hanging your boot. So, myself, Nisha Chandak, and my consultancy for training is Ripples. Ripple, I just want to touch the hearts and create the ripple of happiness in life. That's why it's Ripple, the training experts. Rather than training experts, I'll say life experts. Because I believe in touching hearts, not the minds. Ripple started with so many purpose, but my purpose was only two. One is relationship in life, and second is purpose of life. Because around these two words, the life revolves, the quality of the life revolves, my happiness revolves. Before hanging about your boots, what do you, when you heard this topic, I think this is the first time you got this topic?
Yeah, me, at least for the first time.
So what was the thought when you went through that clip, before hanging up your boots? What the thought came in mind? What was the thought?
Difficult to say. I was confused.
Oh my God, I was confused. Please, sir, I would love if you can share the things.
Planning for the future.
Planning for the future.
My thought was when you switch from one role to another role.
Wow, beautiful.
How? I mean, when that is the hanging the book from the one role to another.
Another role.
Don't carry it from one role to another.
Okay. Yes, that's a good thought.
What I understand by hanging of the boots is, we in cricket we quite often hear this word. That means at the time of retirement we must do something so well that the other generations remember us.
Lovely, sir. This is, I think, you are in synchronization with my thought process. Key, before retirement, when I take retirement, before retirement, how I plan for remaining part of my second inning of my life. It's the second inning of my life. I wrote it there, second inning of life. Yes. Retiring, it will come, ma'am. The topic is, before I hang my boot, how do I pack my bag? Because when I enter my hall, my room, before entering, what do generally we do? We keep our shoes outside. We hang our boots outside and we come inside and we reopen the bags. And that what we have packed, that decides our happiness. What is inside my bag? Have I packed it carefully? Or just I packed it? Ma'am, what do you do if you want to go to Goa for a 3 days trip or Paris or anywhere? If you want to plan that trip, what do you do?
I mean, a lot of planning goes into pictures. At the same time, you are excited.
Exactly.
Yeah, you. I mean, every minute detail is looked into.
Okay, and then accordingly you pack the bag. What kind of cares you take while you pack the bag?
We anticipate what all problems are going to come.
We anticipate. And then accordingly, suppose it's a rainy season, what do we pack? We know we are going to Goa. It's going to be hot, but it's a rainy season. So what do we do?
Umbrella and raincoat.
Definitely you will put an umbrella and raincoat. Suppose you are going with your age group. What will be inside the packing? What will you take care? When you are going at this age, you are going with your colleagues, your age group. What kind of things? Yes. The first thing is medicine. Why medicine?
You may not get the correct medicine.
Because I know what is my need. What can happen? We don't know what can happen. Or whether I'll get my particular medicine there at that time, at that moment, in that situation. Will there be anyone to bring that medicine to me in midnight if I need it? Right? Accordingly, I take. When for that 2 days trip, if your small child is with you, what you will do?
I mean, everything is.
Diapers. First thing is, everything we plan according to with whom we are going to enjoy, how we are going to create that moment. Tell me, boss, for just 2 days when you are going, you take so many minute things. You consider smallest thing. You anticipate everything. And you do, with all care, concern, you pack your bag so that there won't be any hassle or chaos during that period where you really want to enjoy. Sir, tell me honestly, how many of us sitting here have packed our bag for that journey, for that destination which we are going to face in our life journey? Even if you want to go there or not, don't want to go there, even if you want to avoid that phase, even if you don't like that phase, but you have to, there is no other option. So for that destination, are you prepared? Have you packed your bags?
Trying to.
Trying to.
We haven't packed because we don't know where we are going.
Lovely. Exactly.
That's funny.
Exactly.
Most of us are like straws in the wind.
Straws in the winds. Okay, so
Wherever the wind goes.
wherever the wind go, जो होगा लाईफ में देख लिया जाएगा. जिकडे जसं म्हणेल मुलं म्हणतील तिकडे जाऊ, जिकडे जे म्हणेल तुम्ही इथे बसा. बाबा आता तुम्ही भाजी आणायला आणून द्या. आणून दिली भाजी. मम्मी आप बच्चे आने वाले हैं, मैं पार्टी में जा रही हूँ, आप बच्चों को प्लीज दूध दे देना. हाँ ठीक है. बिकॉज I don't know what is my purpose of life, what kind of life I want in that particular phase of my life, because I haven't thought of it. And that's why we are in pain. That's why the pain is there. What should I pack?
Do all good deeds.
Pardon?
Do all good deeds.
Good
So you
deeds.
can go to heaven.
Who has seen? See, practically speaking, where is heaven? Have you seen that? That is only in stories. But what about, okay, you have done all karmas and you are going to heaven to enjoy that. But what about the hell you are going to face here? We are creating hell here. So are we prepared for that? Simple. मी प्रिपेअर्ड आहे का त्या क्षणासाठी? जर मी प्रिपेअर्ड नसेल तर माझ्या इतक्या ज्ञानाचं, माय एक्सपिरियन्स, एव्हरीथिंग, I go to satsang, I read books, I do so many things, I have done my all responsibilities. मी सगळं काही सगळ्यांच्यासाठी केलं, मुलांच्यासाठी केलं, यांच्यासाठी केलं, मी समाजासाठी केलं. पण आता जेव्हा माझी वेळ आली तेव्हा काय? Because timely, when time was there, I haven't packed my bag carefully. Because, sir, as you rightly said, I don't know how. Wherever the wind is going, I'm going. Because I haven't thought of. So this is the right time to think. At what age we should pack our bags, sir? At what age? Yes, madam.
Now, I should say.
That's a very good one.
That is the right.
After? What is the guarantee, sir? Till 50? Till 50 you will be fit and fine. Till 50 you will leave.
Every day is the last day.
Every moment is a last moment, rather. I don't know now at this moment. Just imagine, just visualize APJ Abdul Kalam's moment. He was delivering a lecture. He was not knowing that is the last moment. And what happened? What happened? So every moment is a last moment. Have I packed my bag accordingly? Am I ready for that?
पल की खबर नहीं सामान 100 साल.
पल की खबर नहीं सामान 100 साल का. क्या बात है सर. So how to pack? There is, don't wait for the moment to come and then I'll pack. In whatever age you are, when I talk to youngsters, they are just 15, 17, 18 years old, 20 years, 25 years old, and I say, start packing your bag. And they say, ma'am, this is the best lesson of the life we got. इससे अच्छा तो शायद कुछ हो ही नहीं कि हम आज से उस मोमेंट के लिए तैयार हो जाए और हम उस मोमेंट को ज्यादा अच्छे से जिए. सब लोग, sir, according to you, your past creates your future, your present creates your future, or your future creates your future?
Present.
Present? Present?
Past, present,
or were involved in creating the future?
If it is for 1 or 2 days, packing will be different. If it is 10 to 15 days,
Agree, sir. Beautifully said. Sir, beautifully. You said it beautifully. We don't know how long that phase will be. We don't know. That phase will be for 2 days, 2 minutes, 2 years or 20 years. That is not in our limits. I should be ready for every moment, for every phase. Right? So when I pack my bag, I should not think about ki how long. I should be think about ki now I am a creator of my future, sir. And your past determines your future. I think it's wrong. No. I was talking to my son and he says, Mama, agree, this is not right. Your present defines your future. I said, and we had a good discussion on this. My son and we generally discuss a lot. And he said, Mama, okay, I agree with this, but I don't agree with this, your second sentence. He says, I said, your future decides your present. He said, no, your present decides your future. What do you all say? Agree?
With him. Yeah, agreed.
With him. You all...
I could say, I foresee in this way. It's not what has happened, what learnings you have taken.
Okay.
Because past decides present, because if you learn from past event, then definitely your present.
Sir, the त्रासदी काय आहे या जीवनाची माहिती आहे? Our present is ruled by past.
Yes.
And it is governed by future. We never live in present.
Present, yeah.
This is the...
sister, you have not experienced the future. How can you decide present? If you have experienced the future.
Lovely, sir. But let us see the other side of the coin and let us see if this is what my experience says. If I create, okay, as I said, suppose I want to go to Paris. What do? You buy a ticket. You pack your bag accordingly because I want to create that moment there. To create that happiness in Paris, I decide and design everything today and here. So, it means my future. If I want that beautiful future, I have to. So, if I want that beautiful second inning of my life, maybe after 2 years, maybe after 5 years, maybe after 15 years, whatever the time, जो मुझे 20 साल के बाद चाहिए, जो मुझे मेरी सेकेंड इनिंग में चाहिए है, मुझे जो चाहिए है, सर आप अपने बच्चों को क्यों पढ़ा रहे हो? मनी क्यों जमा करके रखी है इतनी? प्रॉपर्टी क्यों जमा कर रहे हो? क्योंकि मुझे फ्यूचर बेटर चाहिए और उस होप के कारण हम आज वो काम कर रहे हैं. पागलों की तरह पैसे के पीछे भाग रहे हैं, एक प्रॉपर्टी दूसरी प्रॉपर्टी, बच्चों के ऊपर लाखों में वो पैसा खर्च कर रहे हैं, कॉलेजेस में एडमिशन दे रहे हैं, करप्शन कर रहे हैं. ये सब क्यों कर रहे हैं? क्योंकि बेहतर. तो क्यों ना मेरी जो सेकेंड इनिंग है, यदि मैं इसको प्रैक्टिकली मान लूं कि यस योर फ्यूचर डिसाइड्स, यदि मैं इसको प्रैक्टिकली मान लूं तो मेरा जो रिटायरमेंट के बाद का ब्यूटीफुल समय होना चाहिए, जो किसी पे डिपेंडेंट ना हो, जो फिजिकली फिट हो, मुझे किसी के सामने लाचार ना होना पड़े, और मेरा जो मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ सोशल सर्विसेज है, मेरा जो इम्पैक्ट ऑन दिस प्लैनेट है, वो बहुत अच्छा हो. मैं एक बहुत अच्छी लीगेसी यहां पे छोड़ के जाऊं, फुटप्रिंट्स यहां पे छोड़ के जाऊं. इसलिए मुझे क्या करना होगा? उस फ्यूचर को बनाना होगा, उस फ्यूचर को विजुलाइज करना होगा और अकॉर्डिंगली मुझे अपना बैग पैक करना होगा. सो फॉर एटलीस्ट पर्टिकुलरली फॉर दिस थिंग, योर फ्यूचर डिसाइड्स योर प्रेजेंट. मुझे क्या चाहिए है? मुझे बच्चों के साथ रहना है, इसलिए मैंने क्या किया? आज अच्छा बंगला बनाया. मुझे मेरे बच्चों ने अच्छा कमाना चाहिए, फ्यूचर है. लेकिन आज उसने मेरा आज डिसाइड किया, मैंने क्या किया, उनके लिए बैंक बैलेंस तैयार किया। मुझे लगता था फ्यूचर में मेरे पास के गरीब जो बच्चे हैं उनके लिए एक स्कूल हो, फ्यूचर में मैं कभी करूं, एंड अकॉर्डिंगली आई डिजाइन माई प्रेजेंट। आई स्टार्टेड सेविंग मनी, आई स्टार्टेड डोनेटिंग, आई स्टार्टेड चैरिटी। सो मैं फ्यूचर में जो चाहती थी उसको मैंने डिसाइड करने के लिए आज प्रेजेंट को डिजाइन किया। सो वॉट एवर आई वॉन्ट इन माई फ्यूचर, and if I decide that, what I'll do? Sir, I want to be physically fit. What I'll do today? Gym. You will go to gym? Why not? You will start at least morning walk. Please welcome, sir.
We'll go for yoga.
You will go for yoga. Doesn't matter. See, what you choose, it's up to you. But because I want my future fit and fine, that's why I go to. So my future decide my present action. My future decide my present action. Where is the gap actually? When people are on deathbed, it's worldwide. Nurse Brownie, she did a survey in a particular ward where all the patients were kept and they were on deathbed. There was no chance of their recovery. They were about to die in a particular time. So she started survey, and in that survey, the top 5 regrets, after survey on thousands of people, thousands of patients, the topmost 5 regrets were, what can be the regrets? Can anyone guess?
Spend more time with family.
Spend more
Guilt for some mistakes.
guilt for some mistake. Okay.
First thing will be, I wish I had some more time.
Oh, lovely, lovely, lovely.
You're right. First, number one.
Number 1 will be, I need some more time. Okay. Second can be,
हर एक पल की खुशी को गले लगा के जियो।
काश मैंने मेरे वो पल जब मेरे साथ मेरे बच्चे बैठे होते थे, मैं टीवी नहीं देखता, मैं उनको प्यार कर लेता। मेरी वाइफ जब मेरे बाजू में चाय का कप लेके बैठती, मेरे हाथ में न्यूज़पेपर नहीं होता, मैं उसका हाथ में लेके बैठ जाता। मैं शाम को उसके साथ हाथ पकड़ के घूमने निकल जाता, लेकिन मैं अपने फोन पे लगा रहा। काश केवल बच जाता है उस मोमेंट्स पे, काश एंड रिग्रेट। So what are those topmost 5 regrets? I wish I discovered my purpose earlier. मैं क्या करना चाहता हूं, काश मैंने ये पहले डिस्कवर कर लिया होता। Second is, I never pursued my dreams and aspirations. बहुत बड़ा सपना था, छोटा सा सपना था मेरा, काश मैंने उसको उसी समय पूरा करने की कोशिश की थी, लेकिन नहीं, अभी समय है कर लेंगे, अभी समय है कर लेंगे, बाद में कर लेंगे, और पैसा आएगा तो कर लेंगे, पहले एक प्लॉट बना लूं फिर मैं फ्लाइट में घूम के आऊंगा। फ्लाइट में घूमने को कितना पैसा लगता है सर? मुश्किल से 2 या 3 हजार रुपए। लेकिन मैंने उस मोमेंट को मिस कर दिया। क्यों? क्योंकि मुझे एक प्लॉट लेना था, क्योंकि मुझे एक कार लेनी थी, एक कार ऑलरेडी थी, मुझे और एक कार लेनी थी, और एक बंगला बनाना था, और बैंक बैलेंस बड़ा करना था। मैंने क्या किया? वो एक 2000 रुपए की चीज को मिस कर दिया। माई ड्रीम वॉज कि मैं मलेशिया सिंगापुर घूम के, अब्रॉड घूम के आऊं, चाहे वो नेपाल ही क्यों ना हो। लेकिन अब्रॉड का जो जैसे ही वर्ड आया, आई थॉट ओ माई गॉड, अब्रॉड नहीं, पैसा लगेगा, फालतू पैसा खर्च हो जाएगा, एंड आई मिस दैट। आई वुड हैव डन दैट। I should have made more time for my family and friends. I'm so engrossed in my finance, my materialistic world. I'm running after that property. I'm running after only after that aspect throughout my life. See, money is important. Without money there is nothing. Agree. लेकिन कितना बॉस, एक पैरामीटर तो होना चाहिए ना। वो पैरामीटर जब तक हम डिसाइड नहीं करेंगे, ये रिग्रेट हमेशा हमारे साथ रहेगा। आई विश काश मैं एक अच्छा स्पाउस या अच्छा पेरेंट बन पाता। काश मैं अपने बात बात पे अपने बच्चों को डांटता नहीं। काश मैं बात बात पे घर में आते ही, मैं बाहर तो लोगों से बहुत अच्छा रहता था, लेकिन घर में आते ही मेरे जूतों की आवाज शुरू हो जाती, मेरी जोर से चिल्लाना, हे नाही केलं माझे कधी वेळेवर टॅवेल जागेवर राहत नाही, माझी पर्स कुठे है, मैं जब देखता तब केवल चिल्लाता। जब भी मेरे सामने थाली आती मैं जोर से ही बात करता। काश मैंने कभी उसके चेहरे को देख के समझ लिया होता कि आज इसके सिर में दर्द हो रहा है। काश मैंने बच्चा जब बहुत चिड़चिड़ कर रहा था 2 मिनट उसके सिर पे हाथ घुमा लिया होता कि बेटा तुझे तकलीफ किस बात की है, अच्छा मैंने तुझे ये कह दिया, ये मेरी बात से हर्ट हुआ है, लेकिन मैंने वो कभी किया ही नहीं। एंड नाउ व्हेन द किड्स आर गॉन अब्रॉड, दे आर लिविंग देयर लाइफ, दे आर फ्रस्ट्रेटेड विद अस, एंड नाउ वी आर रियलाइजिंग व्हाट इज द यूज। सो I would have expressed myself. It's not about only I love you, but anything in my mind, I would have expressed before. Maybe it is guilt, maybe it is saying sorry, maybe it is, हो गया यार चल छोड़, फिर से गले मिलते हैं. Some or other thing we regret. Just because of our ego, just because of holding back, we keep on the things within us, and then when we are on deathbed we think all these things, but we are not in a position to take action. So take action before you are mentally and physically,
Before it is too late.
exactly sir, before it is too late. क्योंकि एक बार जब हम डेथ बेड पे पहुंच जाएंगे तब हम किसी भी एक्शन को लेने में नॉट पॉसिबल। फिर उसके बाद दूसरे जो लोग हैं जिनके साथ हमने जो कुछ किया उनकी एक्शन लेने का टाइम आता है, फिर हमें दर्द होता है। क्यों? क्योंकि पहले हमने सारी एक्शन ले ली, अब उनकी रिएक्शन आ रही है। नाउ दे आर टेकिंग एक्शन, they are not giving you time, they are not coming to you and sitting, बाबा कसे आहात, अच्छा आई औषध घेतलं का? They don't come and ask because you have given everything to them which you can buy and give, but emotional attachment and time you haven't given because you were running after money, and that's why even now they have money because you have made them that strong to earn money. अब वो इतना अच्छा पैसा कमा, पहले आपने पैसा कमाया ताकि उनको इंडिपेंडेंट बनाओ, अब वो इंडिपेंडेंट बन गए, उनके पास पैसा है, वो पैसे से आपकी जरूरतें पूरी कर रहे हैं। ना आपने उनको समय दिया, इमोशन दिए, फीलिंग दिए, न वो अब आपको फीलिंग और इमोशन, उनके पास पैसा है, वो आपको वृद्धाश्रम में पैसा भेज देंगे। दिस इज द फैक्ट, बिकॉज You created their life like that कि मेरे बच्चे को 20 लाख का पैकेज चाहिए, 50 लाख का पैकेज चाहिए, जा बेटा अमेरिका जा, ये कर वो कर वो कर। बट इमोशन जाना गलत नहीं है, they should go, they should grow rather. If their growth is there, but where is the emotional bonding? That bond is missing. And so the fact of life is, दुनिया की जितनी बीमारियां हैं उसका सबसे बेसिक रीजन है वो इमोशन। You take any disease in the world, no disease is physical, every disease is psychosomatic, because whatever you think it triggers your emotion, and your emotion triggers your physical state. Do you all agree to this? तो जैसे ही वो इमोशन आता है मेरी फिजिकल वाइब्रेशंस चेंज होती है। व्हाट इज इमोशन? यस एग्जैक्टली, इट इज E प्लस मोशन, E प्लस मोशन, एंड द सेकेंड फॉर्मूला इज E प्लस O is equal to R, sorry, E plus R is equal to O. emotion is equal to emotion. If I look at you, this may have happened with every one of us. हम ट्रेन में जाते हैं, एक बहुत अच्छा सा सभ्य सा इंसान खड़ा है, लेकिन अचानक से उसको देख के गुस्सा आ जाता है. अचानक से बेचारे ने धक्का नहीं दिया, कुछ नहीं किया, कुछ नहीं किया. हम उसको बैठने को जगह भी नहीं देते, जबकि हमारे पास पता है 4th सीट खाली है, फिर भी हम नहीं देते. हम और फैल के कुछ नहीं. And what happened? Some thought came to my mind. It triggered my emotion and it triggered my anger, or it triggered my disturbance in thought or whatever. We don't know what happens at that moment because we are out of control. But suddenly a very गांव का एक कोई इंसान आता है, बहुत सिंपल सा होता है. आप उसी जगह पे बैठे हो, सब कुछ सराउंडिंग वैसा है, आपके पास अभी भी जगह नहीं है, आप उसी पोजीशन पे हो, एंड यू फील नहीं यार मैं खड़े हो जाता हूँ, ये बैठ जाए. Why? Why? It's all about energy in motion at that particular moment. उस पर्टिकुलर मोमेंट में मेरे अंदर कौन सा इमोशन चल रहा है, कौन सी एनर्जी का फ्लो है. इफ इट इज अ पॉजिटिव एनर्जी, इफ एनर्जी इज पॉजिटिव, द रिजल्ट विल बी पॉजिटिव. इफ दैट energy which is moving is negative, the result will be negative. I'm talking about relationship. We are moving toward relationship. And what is this? Event plus R is equal to outcome. What does this R stands for?
Our reaction.
Response.
Exactly, the R. There are two R's.
Reaction and response.
Whether I am responding or I am reacting. If I am responding, it is positive. If I am reacting, it is negative. There is simple difference in life. And outcome of life, it depends on my R, because event is not going to change. Event is going to be that only. You cannot change the event that is going to happen. Only you can change this R. It's your choice. If you respond, outcome will be, life outcome will be positive. My life will be positive. My life will be happy. My life will be celebration. And if I react, this O will be different. So outcome of life depends on me. And what are the topmost things are? They are based on only two things. That is relation and purpose. There are 4 things I must pack in my bag. When I reopen my bag, when I hang my boot and reopen my bag, I must have a purpose. I must have a relationship. I must have a finance. And I must have a हेल्थ. यदि ये 4 चीजें आपके बैग में आपने पैक की है, you will be rocking. You will have no regrets. Trust me, you will have no regrets if you have. But it's very vast topic. Today let us stick to relationship. What is the issue with relationship? Why do we have such a bad experience in relationship? Where is the gap?
We thrust our opinion on others.
We thrust our opinion on others.
Gap is in understanding the other.
Gap is in understanding others. Communication. Ego. Okay. Expectations. Great. Great. Tell me, these are all related to others or me? Understanding. The problem with us is, we understand everyone others, but we don't understand self. This is the irony of life, मैं सबको जानती हूँ, मेरा पड़ोसी वैसा है, उसका तो स्वभाव ही वैसा है, मेरी सास ऐसी है, मेरे हस्बैंड ऐसे हैं, मेरे बच्चे ऐसे हैं, वो इंसान ऐसा है, वो पॉलिटिशियन ऐसा है, वो सारा सबका सब कुछ मैं जानती हूँ. लेकिन only the thing, I don't understand myself, I don't understand my feeling, I don't understand my need, I don't understand my emotions. Sir, how many of you say कि we understand ourselves?
To some extent.
To some extent. 80% we understand. Ma'am, tell me, इस समय आपकी बॉडी के राइट शोल्डर में किस तरह के फीलिंग्स हैं? नॉर्मल. ओके, जब आप गुस्सा होते हैं तो आपके राइट और लेफ्ट पाम में क्या होता है? ताकत. सी द बॉडी लैंग्वेज. गुस्सा आता है तो may it is not necessary that it will happen to you, but because I asked कि what happens in your hand, maybe आपको कभी ऐसा हुआ ही नहीं होगा, लेकिन मैंने पूछा so how much I'm aware about my feelings, कि मुझे गुस्सा आता है तो मेरे पेट में क्या होता है, मेरे सिर में क्या होता है, मेरे बॉडी में कैसे वाइब्रेशंस आते हैं. आई अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट अदर्स कि जब उनको गुस्सा आता है ना तो उनके ताव ऐसे होते हैं, वो ऐसा करते हैं, जब वो बाहर जाते हैं तो ऐसे होते हैं. लेकिन मेरे जब मुझे कोई हर्ट करता है तो हाउ डू आई फील? डू आई अंडरस्टैंड माई फीलिंग? When I make mistake, how do I feel? Have I asked myself, how do I feel? You know, it takes a long time to understand self. हमारे साथ प्रॉब्लम ये है कि हमने पूरी लाइफ दूसरों को समझने में लगा दी, बट खुद के लिए, खुद के साथ खुद को समझने में हम थोड़ी देर भी कभी नहीं बैठे. Right from today, let us do one thing. Start sitting with ourselves for 5 minutes daily and see, observe our body, observe our thoughts and observe ourselves कि जब मैं गुस्सा होता हूं तो क्या होता है. What do I expect from others at that moment?
They should keep quiet.
They should keep quiet. Okay, why should, let us come with it.
Time to recover.
Yes,
and
it means
lower my anger.
गुस्सा होता है तो
सामने वाला चुप रहे. Okay, good.
I feel they are not understanding me.
They are not understanding me. Okay, or
They should do things according to me.
why?
Become more angry. Do it.
That is the,
Feeling which comes.
yes, ultimately क्यों आप वो चाह रहे हो, क्यों चाह रहे हो आप?
I want so that it gives me time to
Settle down.
settle down
You are the
and
superpower.
respond in a better manner.
So actually I don't want them to shut down. I don't want them to understand me. I just want myself to settle down. This is what I need. I don't need कि वो चुप रहे. My need is कि I want peace now. है ना? रिलेशनशिप में बहुत सारे इश्यूज है, और ये इश्यूज कहाँ से आ रहे हैं? क्यों लास्ट में, जब हम उस लास्ट फेज में हैं, इश्यूज कहाँ हैं? क्यों आ रहे हैं वो इश्यूज? ईगो, यू सेड. वन मोर थिंग, और क्या चीजें हैं जो आपको उस समय रिलेशनशिप में इश्यूज ला रही है? Frequencies with whom? Why? Why don't they match? We have to find out the root cause, right? Why don't they match?
Maybe root cause I am not accepting myself.
Expectation. Why do I expect? You said something.
I am not accepting myself, accepting my
Exactly.
my what you call weakness. That is why
Exact.
I am
I-
angry on others.
क्योंकि मैंने अभी तक अपने आप को एक्सेप्ट ही नहीं किया है. लोग कहते हैं मैं एंग्री हूं तो मुझे, मेरा एंग्री नेचर है तो मुझे और गुस्सा आता है. अच्छा, तुमको मैं एंग्री लगता हूं? अच्छा, मैं गुस्सैल लगता हूं? लोगों ने जब जब मुझे मिरर दिखाया, मुझे गुस्सा आया, और ज्यादा गुस्सा आया. बट द मोमेंट आई एक्सेप्ट माई सेल्फ कि यस आई एम अ एंग्री मैन, देयर इज अ स्कोप टू इम्प्रूव. लेकिन स्कोप क्यों नहीं आ रहा है? क्योंकि मैंने अपने आप को वैसा जो मैं जैसा हूं मैंने अपने आप को एक्सेप्ट ही नहीं किया है. हाँ मैं गलतियां करता हूं, हाँ मैं मास्क पहन के जी रहा हूं, हाँ मैं कॉन्फ्लिक्ट की जिंदगी जी रहा हूं, हाँ मैं डायलेमा में जी रहा हूं. The moment you will accept yourself the way you are on a right track to pack your bag. What are those things that are creating issues right now with my relationship? I cannot change others. Event, situation or others I cannot change. But where is the problem with me, boss? Where is the problem with me?
You can modify the R.
You have to review. Again I'm going to R. You have to review yourself. And once you review, where is the problem? You have to what? Again second R. What can be the second R? You reviewed yourself. With my in-laws, okay, with my son, I am not gelling up. You reviewed. What was the review? When you review that relationship, response comes later. You redesign it. You readjust it. You cannot readjust him. You cannot ask him to change. You cannot change his lifestyle. You cannot change his way of living or his thought process or his attitude. Now, if I want happy life, if I want my life the way I want, I need to change myself. There is no other option.
And before response, one more R will come, release.
Exactly, sir. I was about to come on that, and beautifully you said, you have to release that. Express it.
They accept them as they are.
Sir, first, when can I accept you the way you are? Before accepting you, I need to accept myself.
No, but you have seen the life of all the birds.
Sir, पूरा दुनिया देखने की. Agree, agree, sir.
Everybody as they are.
Exactly. Acceptance is the best policy. Sir, हम sunset देखने जाते हैं. How many of you have seen sunset or sunrise or not going to Tiger Hills or anywhere? आपके घर की छत पे से या विंडो में से कभी देखा है? कैसा लगता है? Beautiful. But any time have you said, यार ये थोड़ा सा इस एंगल से निकलता तो अच्छा होता, यहाँ थोड़ा पर्पल होता तो और अच्छा होता, यहाँ थोड़ा सा ऑरेंज, अरे ये जो गोल्डन बॉल है ना, इसको यदि मैं 30 डिग्री से थोड़ा सा ऐसा हो जाता तो मजा आ जाता. Do you complain? Or you accept the beauty as it is? क्या वो रोज एक जैसा होता है? यदि आप 6 दिन देखोगे तो वो 6 दिन अलग अलग रहेगा, but every day the way it is, you enjoy the beauty. Why do you enjoy the beauty? Because you accept it. And the relationships are like that. Without complaining, the moment you accept the beauty of the person, you are happy. You don't have to regret. You know, I got this topic from my mentor. I said, Ramanji, I bow my head to my mentor because why I am standing here today is because of him. So, sir, speak always about a apple. The people are like apple. Every apple has a dot. यदि आप 5,000 रुपए किलो का भी एप्पल खरीदोगे बॉक्स में, तो आप जब उस बॉक्स को खोलोगे तो आपको हर एप्पल पे एक डॉट मिलेगा. हैव यू ऑब्जर्व दैट? आप कितने भी अच्छे एप्पल खरीद लो, आप आज जाके आप देख लीजिए, किसी ठेले पे जाइए, आप एप्पल के सारे एप्पल उठा के देखिए, आपको वो एक कहीं पूरे एप्पल पे आपको एक ना एक डॉट जरूर मिलेगा, चाहे वो कितना ही अच्छी क्वालिटी का हो. अच्छा, आप यदि 500 रुपए किलो का एप्पल आपने घर में लाया है और आपने उसको काटा, उसको देखा कि उस पे एक स्पॉट है, व्हाट डू वी डू? वी थ्रो?
remove the
Sir, nahi, we throw it, sir, in the dustbin.
you remove the spot with the spot.
I have paid for it. तो मैं क्या करूंगी? केवल उतना सा स्पॉट निकाल के I eat the rest. जब वो 5 रुपए की चीज हम वेस्ट नहीं जाने दे रहे, 50 रुपए की चीज हम वेस्ट नहीं जाने दे रहे, उसमें का निगेटिव पार्ट बाजू में रख के वी आर ईटिंग इट. डियर फ्रेंड्स, इंसान जो हमारे रिश्ते हैं, जो इतने वैल्यूएबल है, हम छोटी छोटी एक एक दो दो मिस्टेक्स के लिए उनसे इतना दूर क्यों हो जाते हैं? क्यों हम उतनी सी निगेटिविटी को बाजू में रख के उस होल इंसान के हार्ट की प्योरिटी को समझ क्यों नहीं पाते, देख क्यों नहीं पाते? क्योंकि उस इंसान में प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, प्रॉब्लम मेरे अंदर है. क्योंकि मुझे ही नहीं पता है मैं एक्सपेक्ट कर क्या रहा हूं. मैं पहले पैसा एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा था, जब पैसा आया तो अब पैसा बहुत हो गया, अब मुझे ये चाहिए, लेकिन तब तक ये समय दूर जा चुका था. बिकॉज मुझे ही नहीं पता है. आई माई सेल्फ इज इन डायलेमा व्हाट आई वांट. आई डोंट नो द पर्पस ऑफ लाइफ. व्हाई एम आई लिविंग? व्हाई एम आई लिविंग? देयर इज अ गैप एक्चुअली. Me and my relationship with myself and my relationship with others, there is a gap. The day I find out the gap, ki where is the gap, and I bridge it, again we are rocking in life. So what is that gap? As you said, you said कि the frequency doesn't matches. That frequency doesn't matches. The reason is expectation. What else?
We always go for a change mode. Instead of that, we don't go for choice mode.
Okay, change mode and choice mode. Lovely. Yes, sir. Please.
The mind is such a one, when one thing is achieved, it demands the other.
क्योंकि ये रेस क्यों है सर?
Demanding and demanding.
Why we keep on demanding? One is over. I want one ornament with ladies especially. I want something. I see a beautiful ornament and I want it. लेकिन जैसे ही वो आता है ना, मुझे उसकी खुशी नहीं है. Immediately next door I see something else and I want that. Is it greed? It's want of better. Okay.
Novelty is lost.
Novelty is lost because I have it. वो मेरे पास है इसलिए उसमें नॉवेल्टी नहीं है, क्योंकि वो मेरे पास नहीं है इसलिए उसमें नॉवेल्टी है. दिस इज द बिटर फैक्ट. जो चीज मेरे पास है वो मुझे हमेशा आउटडेटेड, वो कम और वो मुझे डिग्रेडेड लगता है. जो दूसरे के पास है वो मुझे हमेशा अच्छा लगता है, वो मुझे हमेशा नॉवेल्टी पीस लगता है. चाहे वो हस्बैंड हो, चाहे वो बच्चा हो.
Grass is always greener on the other side.
Right.
in Gujarati we say the part of bagera bande nahi kare.
So, sir, the thing is, the fact of life is why we are born. Why we are born? Why we are born? We are born just for love. हर इंसान इस दुनिया में जितना भी कुछ भागा दौड़ी कर रहा है, जितना भी कुछ कहते हैं ना ब्लाइंड रेस को फॉलो कर रहा है, जस्ट इन वांट ऑफ व्हाट? लव, एक्सेप्टेंस, रिकॉग्निशन. ये 3 चीजें हैं. मुझे कोई प्यार करे, मुझे कोई अच्छा बोले, मुझे कोई बोले कि ये सक्सेसफुल इंसान है, मुझे एक्नॉलेज करे, मुझे रिकॉग्नाइज करे. मुझे हर समय लगता है कोई मुझे पैम्पर करे, क्योंकि जब वो मुझे बताता है कि तू अच्छा है, तब मुझे लगता है मैं अच्छा हूँ. जब वो बताता है कि इसके पास बहुत अच्छा बंगला है, तब मुझे लगता है मैं सक्सेसफुल हूँ. जब कोई और मुझे कहता है कि अरे यार इसके पास तो कुछ भी प्रॉपर्टी नहीं थी, it is not money which you made, it is the recognition and the label you get. It is a race of status quo. I want labels in my life, I want acceptance. क्यों चाहिए भाई मुझे मर्सिडीज? क्यों चाहिए? क्योंकि मैं लोगों से ये एक्सेप्टेंस चाहता हूं कि मैं बड़ा आदमी बन गया हूं, क्योंकि मैं बड़े सोसाइटी में घूमना फिरना चाहता हूं, तो ताकि मेरा वहां पे ईगो सेटिस्फाई हो. इट इज नॉट द मर्सिडीज. माई नीड इज नॉट मर्सिडीज, माई नीड इज एक्सेप्टेंस, कि वो लोग मुझे एक्सेप्ट करें, एप्रिशिएट, मुझे एप्रिशिएट करे लोग, मेरी वाहवाही करे. सो अल्टीमेटली every soul, not every soul, I'm sorry for that word, soul is in search of love only. Soul doesn't need anything else. Soul is love. But we as a human being, we are in race of, because we want acceptance, we want recognition, acknowledgement, we want appreciation, and that's why we are running. And the gap is where we want all those things, agree? And where is the gap?
Whatever I have, I should be happy with that.
Okay.
When I am not happy whatever with me, then happiness goes away. And
Agree, sir. Now tell me, when I want all this, and when I don't have, gap is where? When I don't have all this. With my relationship, I feel rejected. Gap is in the thinking. Exactly. The frequency doesn't matches because thinking, thoughts doesn't matches. So, when I feel rejected, मेरी बात को तो कोई सुनता ही नहीं है, मेरी बात को तो बहुत ही छोटा ले लेते हैं, मेरा तो कोई इंपॉर्टेंस ही. When I feel rejected, neglected, unwanted, when I feel I'm not valuable, the gap is there. My need is recognition. I'm not recognized. एक फ्लावर भी नहीं दिया यार, मैंने इतना काम किया था, तो मेरा तो वोट ऑफ थैंक्स में नाम भी नहीं लिया. मैंने पूरी जिंदगी बच्चों के लिए ये कर दी, लेकिन बच्चे कहते हैं हम तो सेल्फ मेड है, मेरे बाप ने मेरे लिए किया ही क्या, राइट? बिकॉज see, this is the society we are living in, and this is happening around. So the pain is there because there is a gap कि मुझे चाहिए एक्सेप्टेंस जो मुझे मिल नहीं रहा है. मैं चाहता हूँ कि मैं वैल्यूएबल हूँ और मेरी वैल्यू कोई कर नहीं रहा है. मैं चाहता हूँ लोग मुझे रिकॉग्नाइज करें क्योंकि मैंने बहुत काम किया है, लोग मुझे रिकॉग्नाइज नहीं कर रहे हैं, एंड देयर इज अ गैप.
But we are creating unhappiness from ourselves.
Exactly, sir. Exactly. This is where the gap is. This is where the gap is. So, dear friends, just find out. There is nobody else in the world who can find out the gap. Every individual is different. Every thought process is different. Their upbringing, their environment, their belief system is different. So they have to dig inside. What exactly I'm looking out of my life and what is missing. Once you know the two dots, ki what I am expecting out of my life and what I don't have, these two dots can be connected. You can bridge the build, and then for that, the first thing is, what do you mean by demonetize? See the surgical strike. ताजी खबर, ताजी खबर. मोदी जी को पूछना पड़ेगा. Sir, see the happiness, moments of happiness, anything. Demonetize. As soon as you read this word, demonetize. I say, if you want happiness in your life, demonetize means what? Sir, can you give me 1,000 rupees note, sir?
Maybe that.
Sir, can you give me 1,000 rupees note, sir? They are not valid. Okay. What happened on 9th November? 9th November को क्या हुआ? As soon as 8th November की रात को, it was 8th November? 8th November की रात को डिक्लेयर हुआ. 9th November को क्या हुआ?
लाइन लग गई लोगों.
सर सबसे बड़ी, मैं तो लाइन में गई नहीं, मैं तो लाइन में नहीं गई. सर उससे भी पहले क्या हुआ? लाइन लगने के पहले नोट तो हाथ में चाहिए ना, लाइन लगने के पहले। यस, सारों ने अपने कबर्ड्स खोले, लेडीज चाहे वो कितने भी बड़े घर की हो, चाहे वो एक काम करने वाली हो, सब ने उस दिन काम अपना सारा रोका और सारे के सारे सब निकल गए। ओके सर, हमने क्यों निकाले वो? नाउ लेट अस सी द प्रोसेस। क्यों निकाले वो? क्योंकि मुझे पता था यदि मैं आज वो नहीं निकालूंगी तो कल जाके उस चीज की कोई वैल्यू नहीं रहेगी, दे विल बी, वो कागज बन जाएंगे, वो यूजलेस हो जाएंगे। और फिर मेरे पास वो कितनी भी 1000 के नोट रहे, इट विल हैव नो वैल्यू, राइट? मैंने क्या किया, जैसे ही समय आया उसी समय पे उन चीजों को निकाल दिया। क्या वो 1000 रुपीज के नोट्स की वैल्यू कम हुई सर? वैल्यू कम हुई? नो, वैल्यू वाज देयर, क्योंकि जैसे ही आपने बैंक में गए आपको उसी वैल्यू के दूसरे नोट मिल गए। वैल्यू कम नहीं हुआ, लेकिन मैंने क्या किया, उसको आई मेड इट श्योर कि जितने भी फंसे हुए हैं इधर उधर मैंने रखे, चाहे गद्दी के नीचे, चाहे तकिए के नीचे, चाहे गेहूं के डिब्बे में, चाहे कहीं पे भी रखे हैं, मैंने चाहे दोस्तों को दिए, मैंने सारे वो जमा करके निकाल दिए। क्योंकि मुझे पता था यदि मैंने ये नहीं निकाले तो मैं तकलीफ में आ जाऊंगा, मेरी मुश्किल हो जाएगी, राइट? बस ऐसे कितने थॉट आपके अंदर है? हाउ मेनी थॉट्स यू हैव which are just, कहते ना जंग लगा रहे हैं, वो क्लटर करके बैठे हैं दिमाग में, दूसरों के लिए, रिलेशंस के लिए, वो ऐसा है, वो वैसा है, उसने ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए, अननेसेसरी। वो पॉलिटिक्स में हम कभी जाते नहीं है, लेकिन उसकी चर्चा में जब बैठते हैं हम गुस्सा करते हैं, हमारे अंदर एंगर और वो सारे फीलिंग्स आते हैं। पाकिस्तान हम कभी गए नहीं, डायरेक्टली पाकिस्तान के साथ हमारा कुछ नहीं हुआ, लेकिन जब पाकिस्तान के साथ मैच भी होता है ना, इट इज लाइक अ वॉर। वो अंदर वो इमोशंस आते हैं, हम सारे थॉट्स यहाँ पे जमा कर रहे हैं और उसका इफेक्ट कहाँ आ रहा है? बॉडी पे आ रहा है और हमारे रिलेशंस पे आ रहा है। क्यों ना हम डीथॉटलाइज करें? Do you agree with this?
New word in the dictionary.
I don't know, it will be a new word in the dictionary, but yes, for me it is, I created this word. Why don't timely we dethotalize? क्यों ना हम समय रहते, when there is a time we should dethotalize, we should remove all those thoughts which are valuable but we need to change. For me it was valuable, but according to time I need to change those thoughts. I need to change those habits. I know my habits are very good because I am living my life on that values and time only. लेकिन यदि मैं उसको समय के साथ बदलूंगी नहीं, so simple as that. So dethotalize, declutter your mind. इतने सारे निगेटिव थॉट्स दिमाग में रखे हुए हैं, इतनी सारी चिंताएं, पता नहीं जो हम नहीं सोचना है, जो हमारे हाथ में नहीं है। मेरे बच्चों के बच्चों का फ्यूचर मेरे हाथ में नहीं है बॉस, लेकिन अभी से उसकी चिंता में मर रहे हैं। खुद की लाइफ का नहीं, खुद की लाइफ की चिंता नहीं है, लेकिन उस चिंता में बेड पे पड़े हैं, बाजू में वाइफ को बुखार आ रहा है, हम उससे बात नहीं कर रहे हैं, उसको सूदिंग एक्सपीरियंस नहीं दे रहे हैं, उसको कंसर्न नहीं दिखा रहे हैं, और उसके बाजू में बैठ के कह रहे अच्छा त्याची ऍडमिशन आहे ना, हो 3 वर्षाचा झाला, जर आता ऍडमिशन नाही झाली ना 1 लाख रुपए त्याची फीस आहे, कसं होणार? यार बॉस, अभी किस चीज की जरूरत है मेरे रिलेशन को? वो सूदिंग टच की जरूरत है। तुला कसं वाटत आहे? किती वर्ष झाले आपण बाहेर नाही गेलो ना, का बरं आम्ही त्या आठवणी काढत नाही, विच आर सूदिंग? व्हाय वी आर बॉदरिंग अबाउट दोज विच इज नॉट इन आवर कंट्रोल? बिकॉज आई डोंट नो हाउ टू प्रायोरिटाइज. अगेन, I don't know timely prioritization. हम बच्चों को इतना ज्यादा डिपेंडेंट बना लेते हैं इस सोच में कि वो कभी तो भी इंडिपेंडेंट हो जाए. Are you getting my point? What I want to say? Till the age of 20 years, 25 years, 30 years, they are dependent on me and I love that. कि अभी तक मैं उनका कर रहा हूं and then at the age of 40, ये निकम्मा है, अभी तक कुछ नहीं करता, इसने ये कुछ नहीं कर सकता, इसको मैं अभी तक, इसकी शादी होगी तो भी मैं, बॉस आपने ही तो उसको अपने ऊपर डिपेंडेंट बनाया है and now you are crying कि why he is not independent? Because you made him handicapped. And then when you say you are nikamma, he feel hurt and there is a tussle. Exactly. So relationship we created. It is a self-created hell. Sir, you said कि हमें heaven में जाना है, लेकिन उस हेवन के में जाने के पहले हमको सेल्फ क्रिएटेड हेल को भी तो फेस करना है. सेल्फ क्रिएटेड हेल को भी तो फेस करना है. जब तक मैं सबसे पहला प्रोसेस है कि हम सबसे पहले अपने माइंड को डीक्लटर करें. द वेरी फर्स्ट थिंग. हाउ मेनी टाइम्स वी वांट वन थिंग फ्रॉम द वॉलेट और हम 6 चीजों को ढूंढते हैं तब भी नहीं मिलता है. सामान के लिए अलमारा खोलते हैं, कुठे ठेवलंय, अरे अच्छा एक काढला की 3 वस्तू पडतात, हातात येत नाही. का बरं? बिकॉज क्लटर इज देयर, एक्स्ट्रा थिंग्स आर देयर एंड वी आर कंफ्यूज्ड. एक निकालो तो 3 गिरता है, एक चीज याद आती है तो 3 बातों के लिए गुस्सा आता है. वो आज का गुस्सा तो बाजू में रह जाता है, 5 साल बाद पहले क्या हुआ था, 3 साल पहले क्या हुआ था, मेरी शादी के समय मेरी सास ने क्या बोला था, वो सारी चीजें आज के एक गुस्से से ट्रिगर होती है. सो इट इज ऑल इंटरलिंक्ड. सो व्हाई डोंट यू डीक्लटर द थॉट, लिव इट बैक, फॉरगिव इट यार. इट इज नॉट डिस्टर्बिंग अदर्स, इट इज डिस्टर्बिंग मी, इट इज क्लटरिंग माई माइंड, इट इज गोइंग टू हैम्पर माई क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ. So declutter it, and once you declutter, जो चीज बच गई है उसको ऑर्गेनाइज करना भी तो आना चाहिए. Declutter and organize. It's not only about thought. Just go back to home and see your kitchen. कितनी सारी चीजें हैं जो क्लटर्ड है, जो पिछले साल भर में यूज नहीं हुई है लेकिन कभी तो भी यूज आएगी इसलिए हमने उसको रखा है. हमारे कपड़े जो पिछले 5 साल से नहीं पहने हैं, लेकिन नहीं अब मैं और थोड़ी दुबली हो जाऊंगी तो काम आ जाएंगे, इतनी महंगी जीन्स ली थी ना तो डाल कैसे दूं. सो देयर आर सच अ क्लटर इन द होम आल्सो एंड इन द माइंड आल्सो, दे आर कोरिलेटेड. इफ यू वांट टू डीक्लटर योर थॉट, डीक्लटर योर लिविंग स्पेस, इट विल इम्पैक्ट. एंड वंस यू डीक्लटर योर माइंड, देन रीडिजाइन इट. सो रिलेशनशिप में आपको क्या क्या डीक्लटर करना पड़ेगा? थॉट तो प्रोसेस ही है सर पूरा. कौन कौन से थॉट आपको डीक्लटर करने पड़ेंगे? नेगेटिव थॉट मीन्स व्हाट? व्हाटएवर द पास्ट एक्सपीरियंसेस, impressions of the past,
Carrying it over.
baggages. Sir, is there someone, can someone volunteer? Can someone come here, please? Straighten your hand. Okay, I think it is heavy. Okay, is it heavy? It's not that heavy. Okay, fine. Okay. So dear friends, the past is like this, you know. जब तक आप past की चाहे खुशी हो चाहे गम हो, whether it is a pain or a pleasure of past, if you are hang up in the pleasure of, let's see. So the pain and pleasure both you have to leave behind. 10 साल पहले, 3 साल पहले मुझे जो खुशी मिली थी उसको आज तक मैंने इतना अपने अपने दिमाग पे रखा है, मेरे अवार्ड को, मुझे नेशनल अवार्ड मिला था 2013 में, मेरे आज तक यदि वो दिमाग पे हावी है तो आज की छोटी छोटी खुशियों को मैं एंजॉय ही नहीं कर पाऊंगी. I will not be in a position to enjoy the current achievements because that is so heavily burdened in my head. Pain is like that. My pains are so painful from the past. If I don't leave it behind, what will happen? The smallest pain will appear as a... How are you feeling, sir?
Shoulders paining.
Abhi nahi? But still little change? But still, it's okay. It's okay for him. Okay. It's bearable. But the state has changed.
It's shaking now.
See, now it's shaking. See, now it's shaking. Okay. Sir, how are you feeling? नहीं सर, पानी भरने की जरूरत नहीं. जैसा है वैसा ही.
By asking, he's feeling it more.
We are asking and he is feeling it. Okay.
I am telling पानी भर दो. We do same thing in our life. पुराने ख्याल ये करके
Exactly,
पानी
sir.
भर के
Beautiful.
enjoy कर देते हैं.
किसी ने एक दर्द आपको दिया है ना, या किसी एक रिलेशन में आपका एक प्रॉब्लम है और आप किसी को शेयर करते हो, सपोज यू बोथ आर फ्रेंड्स एंड यू आर नॉट जेलिंग विथ योर किड्स एट, तो आपको आप आके अपना दिल हल्का करते हो. माहिती आहे का, आज माझ्या मुलाने काय केलं, मेरे बच्चे ने क्या किया, आज ऐसा हो गया, आज उसने ऐसा बोल दिया, है ना, मैंने वेकेट किया, लेकिन सामने वाले ने क्या किया, हो आजकालची मुलं ना अशीच आहे, आजकलची पिढीच अशी आहे. और हमने क्या किया, जितने उसको अच्छा करने की बजाय और खाली करने की बजाय हमने और भर दिया. एंड अगेन व्हाट हैपेंड, वो तो अपना दर्द कम करने आए थे, लेकिन और एक इंप्रेशन, फ्रेम ऑफ रेफरेंस क्या लेके जा रहे हैं कि नो, it will be like this.
We have validated his
Yes.
belief and my belief also.
And that is the worst thing. That is the... Sir, how are you feeling? I know. And not unbearable, but after 5 minutes, do you agree that it will be unbearable? Thank you so much. No, just wait, sir. Just wait. Why? Why we are doing that? Why I have done this? It's not just for fun or this. You know, the weight of the glass was same right from the starting to. Initially, जब आपके हाथ पे रखा, when I put this glass on your hand, what happened? Was it that heavy? It was not that heavy, and it was bearable. और मैं यदि उसको उसी वक्त निकाल लेती तो क्या होता? कुछ नहीं होता.
आज की नौबत नहीं आई.
लेकिन 5 मिनट बाद मैंने इनका हाथ थोड़ा सा शेक करने लगा. The hand started shaking, and then when I asked what is happening, he said, you know, his expression was telling everything. It means there was little pain. It started troubling you. It started discomforting you. It discomforting your body and in your head, right? But have I told you कि not to leave this glass, sir? Who stopped you from keeping this glass away and keeping your pain away?
Obligation to hold it.
Who was it? Have I told you कि sir, you have don't keep it aside until and unless I tell you? But even if it was creating pain, discomfort and heaviness, I was not comfortable. Just to show the world that I can do this, I was holding this pain. Right. So, what happened then? When I kept it for a little longer time, your hand started shaking. यदि मैं इसको और 10 मिनट नहीं निकालती तो क्या होता? शाम को आपको मसाज लेना पड़ता, राइट? होता?
और पानी भर देते तो
पानी तो दुनिया भर ही रही है, सर. The people around us, they are doing it. But suppose even if they don't do it, because I know I am wise enough to take that water and empty my glass time to time. But what happens if I'm not ready to remove that glass from my hand? Nobody is putting water, nobody is feeling it, nobody is bothering you, but that one thought which was troubling me since last 10 years, why I am not keeping that aside?
Pleasure in brooding.
Sir, this is, thank you so much, sir. Thanks a lot. Actually, what happens, one troublesome thought, one stressful thought, one negative thought comes to our mind. And at that moment, it doesn't create that stress or harm. And what we do? We don't throw it away, we keep it in our mind. For a year, for 6 months or a year, it gives you trouble, but it is bearable. And still you don't throw it away. Then what happens? You know it's troubling, but still you don't throw that thought, you don't throw that emotion, you don't rectify it, you don't keep it away. It again troubles you more and more. The thought is same, the glass was same, the weight was same, everything was same, the person was same, but only the thing was I was not taking the right action to keep that stressor away, and it was the same thought, the same incident was creating more pressure. It multiplied, it was exponential, right? And यहाँ तक का समय आ रहा था कि मुझे मसाज करने के लिए जाना पड़ा था, डॉक्टर के पास जाना पड़ा था, but still I'm holding that. Still I'm holding that. Dear sir, tell me, what is the learning out of it? A thought which is creating a stress for some time, hold it only till you can bear it. And the moment you feel कि now it's troublesome, throw it away. If you will keep that thought or stressor for longer time, it will make you sick. It will make you sick.
Earlier you throw better, I think.
Earlier you throw, the better you are. Why don't we? Why don't we show the courage to do that? We love talking about our pains. We want recognition of our pains, I love talking. पता है यार, मेरे दुख, मुझे लगता है जितने बड़े मेरे दुख मैं लोगों को बताऊंगा, लोग वहाँ कहेंगे कितना दुखी है ना बेचारा, कितनी पेनफुल लाइफ है ना, कितना कष्ट करता है ना. We glorify our pain. Why, boss?
It is a satisfying state in every person.
Because you feel recognized. कि someone is recognizing my pain. You are in a need of recognition and acceptance. So you keep on glorifying your pain and showing to the world that how many times do we really share our happiness? With the same emotion, with the same feeling, with same energy and with same enthusiasm. Why can't we share our happiness?
In Marathi, I want to just share.
Yeah, please, sir.
In Marathi, for others' behavior and relationship, there is a one, not proverb, but there is a saying. खपलं नाही तरी चालेल, पण खुपू नये.
खपलं नाही तरी चालेल, पण खुपू नये.
I don't know how, I can't translate it, exact word I don't know.
खपलं नाही, खपलं म्हणजे दुसऱ्यांच्या जवळ ते गेलं नाही तरी चालेल, पण ते खुपलं नाही पाहिजे, रुतलं नाही पाहिजे, पिंच नाही झालं पाहिजे. माझं जे काही बोलणं आहे ते कोणाला पटलं नाही तरी चालेल, पण ते कोणाला टोचून नाही लागलं पाहिजे. आणि दुसरी म्हण अशी आहे, उपयोगी पडत नसाल तर चालेल, पण उपद्रवी मात्र होऊ नका. पण उपद्रवी मात्र होऊ नका. So the life is like that. It's better to keep your stressors, keep your pains, keep your past away as soon as possible, and you will feel that the relations are beautiful. But no, आय लाईक द वे आय एम. आजपर्यंत पांढरे केस असेच केले का? मी असाच जगलोय. मला माहित आहे असंच काय मी तुम्हाला मोठं केलंय का? किती उन्हाळे पावसाळे बघितले. आय हॅव सीन ऑल द सीझन्स. I have seen life. Yes, people are recognizing me in my office for that only. I don't want to change. I feel proud in that. But if you don't change, the pain will come. And one day, at last, you have to surrender. There is no other choice. It's better you keep it away at the right time. So, stay healthy, stay connected, stay positive. If you want to have strong relation, these three things are must. Stay healthy. तुमचं जर जास्त दुखलं ना, 2 दिवस नवीन नवीन दुखण्याचे सगळे पाहायला येतील. People will come and visit you. Oh, she's not well. Oh, he is not well. They'll come, they'll bring fruit basket for you, they'll come with a floral bouquet for you because you're sick now. But if you remain on bed for 3 months, what will happen? Even if you have such a pile of currencies, will the people come? नहीं, they will talk. हाँ ना बेचारा, देखो पूरी जिंदगी कितने इससे किया, कितना कमाया, लेकिन अब they will talk about you, but they don't have a time to come to you. If you are घरचे लोक बाहेरच्यांचं जाऊ द्या हो, even with the people inside house, for first week, for 15 days, they will do everything, they will run around, but slowly they will go to their own routine life, and we will feel neglected, avoided. कि जब तक मैं चलता फिरता था तब तक तो सब मुझे पूछते थे, जब इनके घर के काम करता था, सब्जी लाता था, मार्केट में से किराना लाता था, everybody was happy with me. But now I am just sitting in one room, nobody cares. Okay, time पे खाना आ जाता है, that is okay, but nobody has a time to come near me. Sit isolated. I feel loneliness. I feel lonely. So staying healthy is one very strong thing which you should take care of if you really want to have healthy relationship. It's with self also, it's with others also. Stay connected.
Disconnect to stay connected.
Yes. Disconnect to stay
Disconnect
connected.
from-
Yes. There are so many things. Disconnect to connect. Stay connected. आज अचानक कशी काय माझी आठवण आली? If you call someone, they'll say, "Oh, आज कशी काय? Oh, today." कहाँ से भूले? Because now I am alone, I am lonely, I don't have work, I started connecting people. Was 5 years back, I invited you for my daughter's marriage. You were busy, right? I invited you for my celebrations. You were busy. And now when you are lonely, when you need me, you want me to connect with you. Why? Don't do that. Be in connection with people. Because whatever you have in your wallet, ultimately, without relations, you are nothing. You are nothing. You need relationship. आप झोपड़ी में अपना लास्ट ब्रीथ लेते हो या किसी बड़े बैंगलो में लेते हो, और इट इज इन हॉस्पिटल, you need someone to look in the eyes and say, we will miss you, I love you. Maybe I'm in coma, I'm on ventilator, but still my touch, my breathe is in hope. Still my eyes from that small circular glass is looking with a hope. Who is there to look at me? Because that is a hope, that is a relationship, you know. And We can live without money, but we cannot live without relationship. So do I have that relationship in my pack bag? And are those relationships healthy? Ask yourself. If not, still we have time. Rectify it. Start connecting with the people. Start changing your habits, your behavior, your nature, your anger. The worst part is our anger and our temperament. If you remain angry for 1 minute, you are a very good person. 1 minute anger is a healthy anger. But if it is more than 4 minutes, then we are sick. We need to rectify it. But now and then, you are habitual of anger. तुम्हाला कोणाचं काहीच आवडत नाही, कुठे कोणाचा ग्लास ठेवलेला आवडत नाही, पेन इकडे तिकडे ठेवलेला आवडत नाही, कोणाचा काही शब्द आवडत नाही. It means you are sick. Others don't need treatment, you need treatment. If you really want those loving relations, cultivate those relations. Cultivate that happiness. Don't talk about your grief, sorrows, sacrifices. Stop it. It's enough. Now we are leaving for happiness. Law of attraction says what it says. The things you focus on, you get it in abundance. And what we all do every evening, we all together think about our sorrows. With that emotion, with that pain, with that attachment. And how many people? 2 crore people, 20 crore people, 100 crore people around the globe think about pain at a time, and universe says Tathastu. Because you are thinking about pain. Why don't we all, right from today, start thinking about happiness? We teach people, 3 years back, I started this mission, and I would love if you all can join me with my mission to cultivate happiness. My mission is to cultivate happiness. People say we are celebrity trainers and all. And when people talk to me and say, they interview me and they say, have you trained any celebrity? I say, I don't train celebrity, I create celebrities. Because every person, every individual who has taken birth on this planet has a right to celebrate life. Everyone is celebrating. So, but what is the, pity thing is, we teach our children to live life, but we never teach our children how to be happy. How to create that happiness around. हम सबको ये सिखाते हैं कि बीमार कैसे, क्या करोगे तो बीमार नहीं पड़ोगे. What is, I gave a reverse thought to it, other side of the coin. Why always to tell you, don't eat too much of salt for BP.
What we eat.
Don't eat too much of fast food. Keep away from fried things. Why do I always need to tell you, boss, if you want to be diabetic free, don't eat too much of sugar or avoid sugar. Instead of focusing on what not to do, why don't we start talking around what to do? Why don't we tell our kids what to do? We always say, don't do that, that is not good, that is not good for society. Why don't we say, this is good for us, we love this? Why don't we give them that perception, that vision, that visualization? We are not assertive. Be assertive in what we talk. And once we start being assertive, everything comes to positivity. Positivity is must. बट ये मुझे आज तक समझ में ही नहीं आया कि ये पॉजिटिविटी, सब लोग बोलते पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड, ये वो, मुझे आज तक, ट्रस्ट मी, मुझे आज तक समझ में नहीं आया. आई फील वी आर बोर्न विथ इट, वी आर बोर्न फॉर इट. Why somebody else has to teach this? It's by default in us. वो तो वायरस है जो बाहर से आ गए हैं. We don't need to strive or we don't need to struggle for positivity. Because we are a part of universe. Universe is positive. We are part of nature. Nature is positive. So we don't have to struggle for positive. We need to just see to it कि no virus enters to it. That's it. If we keep our way with virus, we'll be virus free. It is so simple. So staying positive is nothing but staying natural, simple, and the way you are.
Stay original.
Stay original. That is the beauty of life. If you are original within and outside, trust me, your bag is packed beautifully. You don't have to go and see whether I have to repack the bag. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.